Your name?
Jennifer.
Jennifer, nice to meet you, Jennifer. I am Juan.
Nice to meet you too.
So, Jennifer, you've done something like this before?
Oh, many times, yes.
Oh, okay. So you are a professional. Right foot through here.
Okay.
Perfecto. Left foot through here. Exactly, right over there. This one.
Yeah.
And these are one right here, all the way up to your shoulders. Walking like this.
It's too tight. Ah, yes, too tight. Next time you gotta help him.
No, be good.
Oh, we got the photo up.
What's your name, sorry?
Jennifer.
Jennifer. Jennifer, I'm gay.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Pura vida, Jennifer. Lester is my name, or
Lester?
you can call me Chino.
Okay.
Yeah, Chino is my nickname.
That's funny.
Let me see a couple more. Let me see a couple more here in the bottom.
Okay.
Go around.
Okay.
So nice to meet you guys. My name is Juan, and the other guy today is Lester. Okay? So we're gonna be here to help you guys. So I'm just gonna give you like a little safety speech and a few things that you have to know.
Okay.
Before we go, the first one is about your equipment. If you feel uncomfortable with something, please let us know. We're gonna adjust on your harness as many times you want it. Just please let us know. Second one, we're gonna be always attached, so never disconnect these ones. And the third one, and more important, is when you're going down, never try to reach the wire in front of the pulley, because if you run into your fingers, you will hurt your fingers really bad. Okay?
Yeah.
And we don't want that. Let me grab this one and let me show you the position. So will be really easy, guys. The only moment that you're gonna grab the wire is here on the platforms. On the platforms, we're gonna tell you to stand up on your tippy toes, grab the wire in this position, and make your body up. And that will be really easy for us to hook you on and to hook you off at the other side.
Okay.
Guys, it's gonna do like this. The position that you're gonna take it is just sit down. You're gonna grab the triangle with both hands, so like that you have the control your balance. If you want to look to one side or if you want to look the other way, you're allowed to do it. You're gonna cross your ankles, bend your knees, lean back a little bit more, and that's the way to go, okay?
Okay.
Never grab the wire in front, remember that.
Right.
And braking system is completely automatic, so you don't need to do anything about slow you down. Right?
Okay. Cool.
Once that you're going, you will see a little ring with leather that is gonna catch your pulley and will slow you down really smooth.
Okay.
And that's it. At the end, the same at the beginning. Tippy toes, grab the wire, make your body up, like that we will be available to disconnect the pulley, and that's it. You will be ready for the next.
Okay.
Super easy, okay?
Cool.
And actually, you are VIP today, so please let us know, okay?
All right. Sounds good.
There we go. Get close to the edge. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta grab the triangle with both hands right away here.
Okay. And it's only this rope that holds me on.
Sit down, exactly.
Okay.
But that rope they can hold in tons. Don't worry.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Almost ready.
Yeah. Is he ready? Put my camera over there.
That is better.
Yeah, we'll do it that way. Done this before.
All right, feet up.
Yeah.
And go.
Whee! Yay! This is fun. And stopping. Woo!
Good job, Jennifer.
All right, one
Be
down.
close to me, please. One hand here and the other hand in the back. Yeah.
There you go. Thank
How
you.
was the first one? Good?
It was great.
Easy, right?
Yeah. I just don't want to run over a sloth, you know. There's a sloth on the wire. I'm like, sorry. Okay, great. All right, one down. That was fun. All right. Ow, 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 ow.
What happened?
Oh, my finger got caught. Yeah.
Yeah, watch out.
Okay, yeah, hang on.
When you pull the
Yeah.
bitter.
No. Okay.
Let me grab that one over there. Perfecto.
Okay.
All right, buttons down on the straps.
All right. Okay.
Feet up.
Feet up.
Got you.
All right.
All right, lean back a little bit and
Yay!
all right.
Woo!
Excelente.
All right.
Watch out your fingers,
Yeah.
Jennifer. Please don't touch the wire
Oh,
when
sorry.
the pulley moving, right?
Yeah, sorry.
Just when the pulley they are completely stuck.
I'm like, just save me.
Don't cut your fingers, Jennifer.
No.
Okay, Jennifer. That
right.
way, please, and watch out the line behind
Yep.
you.
Thank you.
That is amazing place to do climb.
Yeah, lots of outdoor adventure activities. So,
That's nice.
okay.
All right, sit down. I got you.
Okay.
Put your feet in the air. Lean back a little bit.
Okay. All clear.
All right.
Whee.
Good job, Jennifer.
Okay.
Okay, Jennifer. You are righty or lefty?
Right-handed.
Right-handed? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Let me touch this right here. And now, Jennifer, I need to stand up right there. Or
Okay.
way right there in the corner.
Okay.
Just step back a little bit. Yeah, Jennifer. And today, go back to San Jose.
Yeah, today.
And then back
Yep.
to home.
Yep.
Today or tomorrow?
Tonight.
Tonight? Both tonight here. Jenny, pura vida.
Pura vida. Okay, that's fine.
All right.
I'm fine being first.
Nice. You are righty or you are lefty?
Right-handed.
Right-handed. Perfecto. Okay, this is really easy, okay?
Oh yeah, I've done this on Army.
Remember, with your right hand down here,
Okay.
you control your speed. So if you squeeze and you pull down, you slow down.
Okay.
Left hand goes up here for your balance. Sit down, I got you right now.
Okay.
Put your feet in the air.
Okay. All right. Woo!
Look up. Thank you.
Yay! This is fun. My hands are burning. Hey, waterfall. Oh, that hurts. Ah. Spinning around. Oh, that's awesome.
Jenny, your right hand in my shoulder. And try
There we
to stand up slow.
Yay!
Yeah,
That was fun.
good job. That's good, right? Easy,
Yeah,
easy.
perfect.
Oh, okay. Cool. You let me know when you feel ready, okay?
Yeah, we're ready.
Platform number 2 is the next.
Okay.
We cross in the little creek. Then we finish in that platform.
Okay.
We cross the bridge, the hanging bridge. We need to walk in the trail, and we want to continue the platform number 14.
Okay. Cool. I mean, I don't want to show you guys up, you know. I don't want to.
It's optional. If you don't want to do it, it's up to you. Okay, hold the triangle with both hands. You gotta sit down, feet up.
All right.
Exactly. Turns around a little bit to take you a nice picture. Feet up. Perfecto. Look at me.
They're big on the free photos here. Oh, this is great. I'm gonna lean back.
We have a lot of bees, but the most biggest population is the wasp.
No, but the bees do the pollinating.
Exactly. We have really nice bees. We have the most biggest bees around the world and the most small ones.
Okay.
You heard that over there? Not the people.
Right.
Just the noise. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, yeah, there is the Central America Laguti over
see?
there.
Oh yeah. One down, 9 to go.
Yeah.
There's 10. 10?
There are 9.
9. Okay.
The number 10, we don't do the number 10 because we do the rappelling.
Oh right.
The
Okay.
number 10 is just like the optional in case the people they don't want to do upside down. Sorry, they don't want to do rappelling.
Yeah.
We take you down on that rope.
Yeah, I'm ex-army. We did this in the army, but we only got one little rope to tie. So.
You see those guys?
Oh yeah.
Those are the mut-mut.
Mut-muts.
Exactly, they're making the nest around here. That's why they are angry.
Oh.
They like to make the nest inside or the ground.
Oh really?
No lo vaya a tocar. Yeah. Look at that going in the railing, right on the railing.
Oh, yeah.
On the railing.
There it is. Oh, I know. I'm learning to stay far from the animals here.
Yeah, you can get closer, but not too much, so like that you don't scare it away,
Yeah.
and they won't live in the area.
Oh, that makes sense. I'll keep my 6 feet distance.
Sí, están bravísimos. Qué guapos, man.
Ya como lo siguen aún.
Your phone is okay back there?
Yeah, it is. I have this strap. It's the phone of the company, so
Oh, so if you lose it, they pay.
yeah. If I lose it, they will start fighting me. Right here is the butterfly garden, guys.
Okay.
But actually, at this time is the less like nice time to see butterflies
Yeah.
because there are no sunlight, so they are not flying too much.
Ah.
And right here are the crocodiles. You see those guys over there?
Oh, yeah.
Those are crocodiles. Those are American crocodiles, and those are babies.
We live in Texas, so we're used to alligators. I don't think we have
Alright, yeah.
crocodiles there.
They are
We got turtles.
yeah,
Yeah.
there are a couple of turtles that they get there. We receive a lot of turtles and a lot of animals here, so they doesn't have another opportunity to stay on the wild. So we have to bring them to here.
This is very pretty.
It is.
Yeah.
This jungle is so beautiful. 22 acres for wildlife refuge. So you were doing services for the USA Army?
A long time ago, 20 years ago. But I do travel YouTube, travel journalism, like
Alright.
travel videos, adventure stuff, rock climbing and mountain biking,
That's cool.
and ziplining.
Mountain bike?
Mountain bike, yeah.
You do mountain bike here in Costa Rica already or not?
No, not this time.
Not this time.
Esta es la cama de Brian.
Guys, right here is the first water station in case you want to drink a little bit of water.
Okay.
Go ahead. After that, you can climb the steps, guys, but on the bridge, just one at a time. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
When I get up there, you can come, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
You good?
Oh yeah.
Come here, let me show you the spot right over here.
Don't go on yet. You go wait till, yeah.
Look at where he is.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a sloth. Oh, it's adorable. Oh.
Really cool, right? Look at me right there. Thank you. Great.
Thank you.
You're so fancy now.
I know.
Sir. Around the tree. Thank you.
Okay.
Up the wire. Look at how close he is.
Well, there it is.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Well, it's down here. Sit down. Feet up.
All right.
Lean back and relax. And
Okay.
go.
Stop. Woo. Thank
Good job,
you.
Jennifer. Be face me.
Thank you.
Pura vida. The next one is the second longest.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. In this one.
All right. Thank you.
Jennifer. Pura vida. How was it, Costa Rica, Jennifer? How was it, Costa Rica?
It was great. Beautiful. Yeah. Second time here.
First time here?
Yeah. All right, hang on. I don't know if he goes. Oh, he goes up there. Okay.
This is it.
All right.
Ahora sigo. No ha quedado eso sencillísimo. Hacerle a 8, 9. My friend, get close to her. Let me take you a video.
All right.
There we go. 1, 2, 3. You're gonna say pura vida, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Pura vida.
That's awesome.
This one is the second longest, Jennifer.
Awesome.
This one is a little bit long, yeah.
All right.
Facing me. Yeah. And how was the food in Costa Rica?
Very
You
good.
like it?
Very, very good. Yes.
Nice, excelente, excelente. Okay, just we wanna wait for the signal. Couple seconds, and then we will be ready. Okay, Jennifer, knees up and enjoy the ride.
All right. Woo! Whee! Oh, this is beautiful. I gotta hold on. That's the hardest part. This is cool. Oh,
There we go.
that was a hard stop. Thank you.
You're welcome. Little Esther, little Esther,
These are
little.
fun.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, I love it.
The longest ones are more enjoyable.
Oh no, these are all good.
Let me put this one. We can go around the tree. Go through and then we go.
Okay.
You lean off the side like that?
What you say?
You're leaning on the side.
It's my office, my friend.
Yeah.
I gotta feel comfortable in my office. If you're not, this is not a job for me, right? Right. Step out there, please. And in this one, we're gonna do a little different, okay?
Okay.
In this one, you're not gonna grab the triangle. In this one, what we're gonna do is you're gonna let go of your hands and try to show off.
Oh, okay.
I will take you a really nice picture.
Okay.
Both hands down here.
Okay.
Sit down. Feet up.
Feet up. Okay.
Exactly. Put your feet in the air. I got you.
Okay. Ready?
And now, let go of your hands. Lean back, relax, and look at me. Hola.
I'm backwards now. There we go.
Yeah, Jennifer. Oh my God, you're coming backwards.
I know. I did one where I was upside down when I was in Rocky Mountains. Yeah, we did mountain ziplining.
Ah, nice.
And they said, go upside down.
Yeah, in this, well, right here we have two lines,
All right.
number 7 and 8. And in those tables, you have the option to do upside down.
I'm going to say, yeah.
backwards, no hands, spin.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's coming, little boy, he's coming.